Hello. What we have here is a 1978 Chevrolet K5 Blazer factory two-wheel drive. This Blazer has been completely restored using many NOS parts throughout. To include new old stock doors, fenders, inner wheel wells, trim moldings, many other parts as well. This is the factory Cheyenne edition. It is fully loaded. It is 350 with Holley Sniper fuel injection. Turbo 350 transmission, ice cold air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering, power brakes, factory tach, tilt wheel, is an absolute fresh and brand new build. There has been no expense spared in the restoration of this Blazer. Everything is new. MagnaFlow stainless steel exhaust system, all new glass, all new interior, integrated sound system, which is absolutely incredible, to include a retro sound stereo with Bluetooth with the microphone inside, Sirrus radio. It's got an Alpine amp, Infinity Kappa speakers in the kick panels and in the side panels, a JL audio 12-inch subwoofer sunk into the rear. It is absolutely incredible. Everything is new. I know I'll say that more than once, but it's the truth. It's got tilt wheel that has been completely rebuilt. All the dash is new, all the dash trim is new. It's got a 69 Camaro Rosewood steering wheel. All the AC bezels are new, all the trim is new. Door panels are new. No steps have been skipped. Believed to have 56,000 original miles on the truck. It has the Holley Sniper fuel injection system on it, which makes it incredibly nice. It has LED under dash lighting. You can see the speakers sunk into the kick panels. All the under dash lighting again is LED. Hard to tell during the day, but it is there. You've got your factory power rear window switch. All the interior bezels are NOS and lenses and bezels. Every piece of trim has been removed and re-dyed everywhere. All new upholstery, glass, rubber. The top has been painted both inside and out. All the ashtrays have been re-chromed. The floor bezels have been re-chromed. Factory console. Everything works like it should. You'll see that the back gate is down. I'll show you how that window operates here shortly. Grab your inside panel, latch here, put down the tailgate. You'll see the JL subwoofer sunk into the rear. All new old stock rubber has been used on the top. The quarter seals that you'll see, the window channel seals, the front inner and outer cab seals, all new old stock. Window scraper in the back, new old stock. All the bolts have been cadmium plated, and to include the hood hinges, everything. I'll put this back up. Shuts very nicely. And here, stick your key in the back glass, in the little lock cylinder, in the back glass, and up goes the glass. Works flawlessly. Makes it very nice without having to manually crank the window. Like I said, all new old stock sheet metal. Factory quarter panels, super nice, never replaced. Factory floors, cargo area, all of that factory, never replaced. Let's see here. I can grab the hood hinge, open that for you. Come around here to the hood. Like I said, it's got 4-wheel disc brakes. That's a set of 18 and 20-inch intro billet aluminum wheels. Incredibly expensive. 20 by 10.5s on the rear, 20 by 8.5s on the front. It's been lowered 4.5 in the front and 4 in the rear. Stainless steel MagnaFlow exhaust system. NOS K5 Blazer emblems. It also has halo headlights that are surrounded by brand new NOS headlight buckets. Ridiculously expensive. But those are pot metal, not the plastic reproductions like they sell today. New old stock. Let me see if I can open the hood for you. Wow, a little bit difficult. I'll have to put the phone down. Let me put the camera down here. Here we go. It features a GM Goodwrench 350 crate engine, which has had a comp cam 270 Magnum cam installed for just a little bit of lump. It has a 71 Z28 air cleaner. All the air conditioning has been redone. The radiator, the factory original radiator, has been recored and painted in a high gloss. And yes, the air conditioner has been recharged with R12, and it will blow ice cubes. Also, another 2 features that make it extremely nice is a Holley Sniper fuel injection unit. You can see the fuel pressure gauge there. It also has factory cruise control that works, and it is awesome. I do have right now the fuel injection has been just recently added, so I do have the controller run. You'll see a rogue wire running across the firewall there. That's for the controller just that I prop up on the dash to just monitor everything for right now while it is still self-tuning. It runs awesome, flawlessly. Holley makes a great kit. So it's get in it, hit the switch, and drive. You'll also notice all the hood hinges have been silver cadmium plated. Hood latch. Lots of the bolts have been silver cadmium plated, and the ones that have not been silver cadmium plated are stainless steel. Like I said, those are NOS front fenders. Those are NOS fender wells. Let's see if I can see where I put the key. Let's get in here and try to fire it up for you. See if I can do this while I'm on camera. Oh. Here, the fuel pump. Magnaflow exhaust system sounds very nice. A very deep, mellow tone with a small cam. 270 comp. It has a factory 12-bolt rear end in it, 308 gear. So with the turbo 350 and a 30-inch tall tire, it makes cruising down the highway very effortlessly. You'll see the factory cruise control works flawlessly. Camaro wheel. I'll turn the halo headlights on so you can see those. It's awesome. This is a very nice one of the nicest square body blazers that you're going to find anywhere. It has been a no expense spared restoration. I actually did this blazer for myself. I did not buy it just to flip it. I did it for myself, but life has its series of changes, in my case for the good. We're having my wife is pregnant with her second child,